All right, Kipsters, when we talked about the ball, we used words called prepositions. Prepositions tell more about how, where, or when something is, or where something is in relation to another thing. Today we're going to learn to identify and fix prepositional phrases. Prepositions are words that show a relationship between a noun or a pronoun and another word. The preposition on tells us about the relationship between the book and the shelf in this sentence. The book sat on the shelf. So the preposition on tells us about the relationship between the book and the shelf. There are different types of prepositions. There are prepositions of time, place, and movement. Here are just various different prepositions that you'll find in sentences. Prepositional phrases begin with a preposition and contain an object. Let's take a look at this sentence. The book sat on the shelf. On is the preposition. The object of the preposition is the shelf. Prepositional phrases act like adjectives or adverbs. They tell you when, where, and which. The prepositional phrase is acting like an adverb telling you where the book sat. Prepositional phrases act like adjectives or adverbs. They tell you when, where, and which. The prepositional phrase is acting like an adjective telling you which book was read. So what you're going to do next is you're going to be using a draw it to circle the prepositions and cross out the prepositional phrases. After that, you'll check your thinking.